Another sign of a pathological liar is that they won't care about your feelings.
Shut up!
I'm sorry.
This is the dumbest fuckwit jackass faceplant performance I've ever witnessed. You fucking imbecile. You're a fucking weasel. Fucktard. Fuckwit. Fucking idiot.
Urge to present themselves as better than others is a classic characteristic of a pathological liar.
Let me try to translate what that means. My cat's fucking litter box is smarter than you. You don't want to be found out to be a pretender clown in my vicinity. You're not gonna like the end result. This is a very important point, and I know this is hard for a lot of people. I got it immediately.
Pathological liars don't like being doubted.
Shut the fuck up!
Can I attempt to
No, you
one
cannot.
fine part?
No, you cannot. Now we're gonna move on.
This again, so the torsion.
No.
To pertinent events.
No, sorry.
All
No,
of them.
Oh my
fuck
God.
that. Fuck off.
Come on,
Fuck
bro.
you. Fuck off. Fuck you.
If you see someone desperately trying to present themselves as more skilled or more experienced than any other person, chances are they might be a pathological liar.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have been listening to arguments for 13 years by absolute knuckle-dragging crayon munchers. He's a fucking idiot. He thinks he's an intellectual. That's what the fucking hilarious part is.
If you question them or catch them in a lie, pathological liars might get angry or express hostility towards you.
You fucking imbecile. Yeah, here, you're a fucking idiot. What the fuck you just caught out? Blatantly.
And then they'd say, okay, what is science proven? And they say water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
No, we wouldn't say that. We would say heat causes water to boil. How many times do I have to tell you that? With your little hypothetical here that you dreamed up in between the funhouse mirrors between your ears is horseshit. We don't say that. So we're just smashing it here with cowbell. So here comes some more. Scientists using the scientific method have proven. You ready? Number one, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. 1 atmosphere pressure, that's 101 kilopascals or 14.7 psi.
And then they'd say, okay, what is science proven? And they say water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
No, we wouldn't say that. We would say heat causes water to boil. How many times do I have to tell you that? You ready? Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level, 1 atmosphere pressure, 101 kilopascals, or examples, hypothesis examples. Heat will cause water to boil at 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
Pathological liars feed off the attention they get from telling all these tall tales.
This is religion. This is what religion does, right?
Absolutely.
Right? We appeal without demonstration to evidence that supports our position just because we say it. I'm sorry. I live in Missouri now. You have to show me.
Sounds very theoretical, and there seems to be a lot of claims coming out what seems to be
It's not
theories.
theoretical. These are validated experiments.
Have you ever seen one of these experiments yourself?
No, I've never been in on a delayed choice quantum eraser experiment, no.
I live in Missouri now. You have to show me.
A pathological liar can be very preoccupied with the claims that they make.
Through my travels in my life, I've been around a lot of experiments, and really cool experiments. And this one, when I first come by it, I said, wait a second. So
I've never been in on a delayed choice quantum eraser experiment.
I live in Missouri now. You have to show me.
I said, wait a second. So I literally took about 2 months and just, 15 hours a day going through each and every aspect of the experiment because I thought it was batshit insane myself. Right? So I had to get down in the midst of it.
I've never been in on a delayed choice quantum eraser experiment.
And reconcile it. It had to go through my crucible, my personal crucible. I had to get down in the midst of it.
Pathological liars lack empathy.
You fucking imbecile. Shut the fuck up. Objection. Shut up. You're a fucking idiot. Shut up.
I'm sorry.
Shut the fuck up. Fucktard. Fucking numpty dipshit.
Pathological liars want to avoid being questioned about the believability of their stories.
When Michelson Morley did the experiment, Michelson.
Whoa, stop.
Stop.
Experiment, you say? What was the
I mean, whatever.
Well, no, not whatever. What's the hypothesis? What's radio?
Yeah, radio waves.
Number one, they're not waves. They're not waves. They're particles. Shown to you about 100 years ago with the photoelectric effect and Compton scattering.
What's the hypothesis for the photoelectric effect?
Say again?
What's the hypothesis for Compton?
It's not an experiment. It's not an experiment.
Einstein then performed the photoelectric effect. That experiment that showed photons were particles.
It's not an experiment.
Einstein didn't receive a Nobel Prize for those fairy tales, general and special relativity, which aren't scientific theories anyway, by the way. He received it for this, the photoelectric effect, and it's well deserved. All right, so credit where credit is due. And Compton scattering, this experiment right here,
It's not an experiment.
The death knell. It sealed the coffin shut. Photons are particles.